Naruto yo.
Hello guys. Today I am going to show you how to draw Kurama in chibi style. So watch full tutorial. Don't skip it. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. First draw nose. Then draw eyes. Now draw his face outline. Now draw his tails. Outline is done. Now time to do inking process. First the light erase. I am using black pen. You can also use black pencil color or a marker. Inking process is complete. Now time to do coloring. Use dark orange color and light orange color. For eyes, I am using red marker. Our Kurama in chibi art style is done. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for another awesome tutorial.